Was G trying to sneeze?
I think so. Second you.
J. I didn't mean to interrupt, but G is about to. Chew.
Okay class, today we are going to watch Barney and Friends.
Yay, I love Barney and Friends.
Me too. Me 3.
I will go get the TV. Okay, I will now turn on the TV to Barney and Friends.
Miss Grace, why did the lights turn off?
It's probably a little power outage. I'm sorry kids, but if the power doesn't come back on soon, we won't be able to watch Barney and Friends today.
Okay, mess up so far. Hey guys, it's what? Never mind, cut! What just happened? Maybe it's the power outage.
Thank you for shopping with us today. Come again soon. Hello, welcome to the Go Animate Supermarket. How may I? Oh no, the power went out. We are going to have to close the store down early. Attention shoppers, due to an electrical blackout, the store is now closed. Please proceed to the checkout registers. If you can't find your way to the checkout registers, don't worry, emergency lighting has been turned on to help you find your way to the exit. For your shopping convenience, we will try to be open tomorrow at 8 a.m. Thank you for shopping with us today at the Go Animate Supermarket, and have a great day.
Meanwhile,
Ugh. G's superpower sneeze was super powerful. It caused a power outage. After the power comes back on, we will do take 2.